Okay, so I've got the pipe wrench on here. So what we're going to do is just kind of give that a little turn. It was starting to turn. There it goes. Okay. Oh. All right, well, bummer. It started to, and then it just snapped. All right, so I got to go get extractors, and we're gonna have to drill these out and do it that way, which that sucks. Okay, great. Okay, guys, so I had to go get some stuff. As we can see, we tried the pipe method, or the pipe wrench method. It didn't work out on this one. It did break off in there, which is kind of a bummer. So what I had to do is I had to go get, this is a left-handed drill bit. This is a screw extractor, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to drill into that. I believe this one is a 7/64, and then I forget what size this is. Just match up the size that you need for the corresponding bolted stud. What we're also going to do, though, is we're going to heat this up with some gas. We're going to heat this up for two reasons. For one, it'll kind of expand everything here a little bit. Number two, it'll soften that metal up so when you go to drill it, it drills in there and it will drill fairly straight. Plus, it might also kind of help loosen those threads up. Okay? So we're going to get started on that. And we have two to do. We got one over here and we have one here. But we're going to do this one first, and that's what I'm going to show you. You want to try to get this as straight as possible. You definitely don't want this going in there at an angle. Okay. Alright, so we're going to screw this in clockwise, but to get the bolt out, we're going to go counterclockwise. And I'm just afraid that I'm going to break it off. You know what, I'm going to hit this with some more heat, get some heat down in there. Alright, well that's what I did not want to happen. Great. Now I get to try to drill that out. I see.
And then it'll just, we can get something in there and just kind of twist it out.
Get it?
Yeah, it's loose, but I'm in a predicament. I'm hitting this this right here.
Yeah, cut it off.
From the weld.
Huh?
I just break it off.
Either break it off, you got it loose now, or just take the cutoff wheel and cut that off and then bend it and break it off.
Okay.
So you can just turn the thing and then
Good idea.
bolt a nut to it and just...
Yeah, that other one, if you can't get it out, you're going to have to take it to a machine shop. They're going to have to use an end mill to mill that out of there, because that extractor is so hard you can never drill that with a drill bit.
It didn't turn it anyway. Wizard.
Dude.
It's like Gandalf of fucking.
He said, let me show you how
Yeah,
to do
I
this.
swear. This is why I'm a construction worker.
He said, stop pussyfooting around
I
and get the
swear.
goddamn bolt out. Sure, this has happened at least 20, 30 times. How long have you been building engines?
30-some, 35, close to 40
It's
years.
just another day. Is that the angle down? Ain't even worried about it. As you can see, drilling them out didn't work. The extractor didn't work. We broke the extractor it off, drilled this one out. Just ended up knowing a friend that knew how to weld. If you don't have a friend that knows how to weld, I'm pretty sure there's quite a few shops that can do that for you. If they're open on a Saturday, that's going to be a different question. Welding them out, came right out, didn't damage the threads none. I've got a little lip here. I might have to... Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get everything cleaned up now, get it real good, nice and shiny, and from there, it'll just be putting everything back together in the order you took it off. So, well, all right. Hope you enjoyed everything you've seen. I hope you got to learn something. I'm going to go ahead and get to cleaning, and then I'm going to start putting it all back together. Don't forget, guys, like and subscribe. That way you can see some more content. And have a nice day. Sure, why not? I got work to do.